All right, YouTube, it's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite pinnacle, Utopia of the Seas, Owner's Suite, 18212. Here's the room tour. We have a wonderful room here, guys. This room is absolutely fantastic. First, let's take a look at all of the storage. Storage, drawers. It's unbelievable. We have our coffee maker here and a cooler down there. Hi, here I am. All right, let's take you into the room now. We have a dining space for 4. We have a couch that opens up, a wonderful seating area, and a big screen TV. Let us take you into the dressing room with a vanity for the ladies to look pretty. There's a safe in there, tons of storage. Okay, closet. Let's go into the master here. We have the Royal King bed, big screen TV, plenty of plugs on both sides. Now look, this doesn't open, and that is a shame that it doesn't open. But to get outside to the balcony, you have to use this one. But before we go outside, let me take you into the bathroom. I absolutely love the Wondersuite bathroom. We have a full shower, jacuzzi tub, double sinks, bidet, and commode. Let us take you outside now. Again, we are here alongside in Port Canaveral, the ultimate weekend. Look at this outdoor space. We have 1 lounge chair, we have 2 lounge chairs, and we have seating for 4. We are here on board Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas, Owner's Suite 18212. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And guess what, guys? It's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite pinnacle, and we will see you at sea.